Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. My roommate's home, so y'all know what that means. We're filming in the car with NameBran. Yeah, we film in the car because I like to yell fuck a lot and talk about tits and vaginas, and she's not into it. What the fuck is my seatbelt on? So today we got a wild video. I actually wasn't about to film today because I'm really fucking hungover, and I just don't film when I'm hungover. However, I couldn't do that to the boys. So give the boys yourselves 2,000 likes down below for joining you on hungover day. Oh man, shit got wild yesterday. I don't know if he wants me to say, but cameraman Adam, we were at the fucking club and he started banging some bitch in the washroom. Hilarious. We'll get into that later. But of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're murking the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. If you guys want to follow my Instagram right here, I've been really trying to reply back to a lot of you guys lately. So if y'all want to do that, I'm doing a lot of that tonight. Because let's face it, I'm not doing shit all that's productive today. And if y'all are new to the channel, first off, notification squad, where you at? Hit that bell if y'all aren't in the notification fam. I always reply back to the first people. Also, if y'all are new to the channel, welcome to the NameBran fam. It's fucking lit around here. So y'all made it very, very clear lately that you really like the Hypebeast mystery box unboxings, yada, yada, yada. So I did a little work to get another one, and you guys might know that we used to do videos for champs, and they took me off the seating list because I always like talk back to them and shit. I don't know. They sent me a sheet one time and I blew it up. Anyway, I hit them up and I'm like, bruh, the people have been really wanting it. Can you just send me a fucking shoe just one more time? And he's like, bro, okay, just one more time. So we got a fucking sick unboxing from Champ Sports. It's a Hypebeast mystery box, motherfucker. I don't know what's in it. I'm pretty stoked for it too. But we got one question at hand, NameBran. How the mother of bitch if I'd open up? Fuck, I fucked that one up. Oh my God, I'm sorry. How the mother of dick? You about to open up that package, you puss. Oh boy, this is a fucking pretty big one. Oh shit. Ow! Ow! Fuck! It didn't actually hurt that much. It just made a sound that really freaked me out. So as y'all can see, the box is open. We're about to get into this bitch real quick. Oh, Jordan, sick! I just realized my window's open. That's super embarrassing. My neighbor's smoking right there. Fuck. About to low-key turn that up a little bit. There we go. Also, let me know what you guys think about my knockoff Lamborghini. You guys have been wanting to see it in more vlogs. Keep asking like, yo, where'd you get that whip, bro? I got it off the Wish app, so go check it out if you guys want to buy one. Anyway, here's the kicks we got right here, boys. We got a pair of Jordans. I'm not really into Jordans enough to know what Jordans these are, so you guys let me know down below. We might even give them away depending on if I'm actually gonna wear them or not, because Jordans are really hard to customize. Oh, okay. The fuck? Alright, Champs is showing me a gigantic dick bulge on this one, boys. Oh, their dick's coming out, and it's in my ass, bro. What the fuck are these? The shit? We got Jordan black and whites right here. What the fuck? No wonder they don't send me shit, because they just send me shitty shoes every fucking time. These are Jordan 10.5 Air Jordan 9 Retros. These are gay. These suck, dude. Anyway, thanks Champ Sports for hooking me up with the worst shoe you possibly could have. People are getting like fucking like mixed boxes and shit. You hook me up with this? Fuck! Oh, we're definitely giving these away. Okay, NameBran Netting Room, in case you're getting like cold feet on talking back to Champs, extra clip. Oh my God, these are so sick. Thank you, Champ Sports. These are awesome. I'll cherish these forever. Just in case you're getting cold feet, buddy. All right, so these are kind of weird. You guys let me know what you think about these. I gotta research them real quick and see what these are all about, and then I'm gonna get back to you in a second. But we got this weird colorway. I've actually never seen these, and I've never even actually owned a pair of 9s. The back is kind of dope. It's like a cum-crusted, like, translucent outsole, which is hype. You guys know when you cum on socks too much and it turns yellow? I wouldn't, but that happens a lot. But for real though, if you guys do want to win these, because I don't need these and I don't need the money to sell them, just give me a follow on Instagram, and I think I'll ship them out this week. I'll see. Give me a follow on Instagram, like this video, and subscribe. We'll definitely give these out just because I don't like them, or I'll find some homeless person. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But these are the kicks for today. This is a shitty fucking mystery box. Champ Sports. I hope that you're not watching this video right now, but if you are, please send me something cooler next time. They're never gonna send me anything ever again. Anyway, boys, we're always keeping it real on the channel. I just caught a big cock from Champs, but what can you do, man? What can you do? These things are kind of weird. I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second. I'm gonna research these motherfuckers and see what this shit is, because I don't think these have released yet, because I haven't seen any posts of them on Instagram yet, for sure. Fuck off! God damn, I hate that dude. Jesus, he's always around, man. Oh shit! Ah! Alright, now I like them. So these are apparently unreleased. They haven't released yet. That's one thing about Champs, is they send us some kicks that haven't released yet, which is kind of hype, which also gives me a dope video title. Sick. Clickbait in mind, Brandon. Editing room, once again, clickbait in mind. What do you guys think about this shoe, dude? Just a quick video. I actually do have a dinner to go to, so I'm trying to like hustle it up a little bit in this vlog style, car style type. I'm about to watch some porn in my car after this video and jack off before going to dinner, so I don't get too horny at fucking Hooters with my girlfriend. Too much info? Never. But you guys let me know. You guys let me know what you think about this Hypebeast mystery box, and if you actually, this could be funny. This could be really funny. If you guys are still watching this part of the video, you guys know how we like to fuck with people through emails and stuff like that. If you guys give this video, and I'm being real with this, 3,000 likes within tonight, I will message the Champs guy back through email. He's the one that sends me the shoes, and I will send him the video link, and I'll be like, these sucked, and then I'll be like, send me something else, please, and we'll see if we can get another video with them. I think that'd be funny, but I'll make the email really funny. Like, I'll fuck with them a lot, but I think that'd be really funny for a fucking video, and we'll see if he listens to us or not. So 3,000 thumbs up, yeah, do that, and we'll make a video fucking with Champ Sports. How's that sound? Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. I wish I could get this video to 10 minutes. However, it doesn't even matter, because this shit's demonetized anyway, because I keep saying fuck pussies and shit like that, which you always should do, and I feel like not enough YouTubers tell you to just fuck pussies at the end of their videos. You know what I mean? Anyway, my Patreon's down below if you guys want to donate, because we're not making any money off ad revenue, that's for damn sure. Also, we did a sponsorship with Dollar Shave Club yesterday. They didn't like it at all. I probably shouldn't be saying that, but we keep fucking all this shit up. I'm just here for the entertainment. Money's a bonus, but as long as I'm making enough money to just survive, I don't give a fuck. Appreciate y'all for watching. We keeping it real on the NameBran channel. Y'all are murking the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats, and if you guys want these shoes, hit me up, we'll figure something out. Follow my Instagram, give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Y'all are murking it. Blow. God damn. I'm in like this habit of I'm really trying to drag this out for 10 minutes. This is not gonna happen, is it? What if we just put a Selena Gomez meme at the end of this video? Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I wanna get this video to 10 minutes. And I'm just in a real bullshit mood today. I'm gonna put a nice little slideshow together at the end of this video with a bunch of nice Selena Gomez pictures. If you guys watch through that and click all the ads, you'll have even a better chance of getting the sneakers, even though I can't prove whether you did it or not. Alright, Selena Gomez transitions now. Welcome to a 10-minute video. We always be marking it.